In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your X.com or Twitter profile link in just a few seconds. This is a really simple trick, but it's super useful if you want to share your profile with someone, add it to your bio, put it on your website, or send it in a message without making any mistakes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want the profile link for. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand navigation menu on the side of the screen. You should see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and Profile. Click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look at the top of your browser window. You'll see the address bar, and that's where your exact profile link is displayed. Click inside the address bar and highlight the full URL. Make sure the entire link is selected so you don't miss any part of it. After that, right-click on the highlighted link and select Copy from the menu. If you're on a Mac, you can also use Command-C, and on Windows, you can use Control-C, but the right-click copy method works just fine too. Now, your X.com profile link is copied and ready to paste anywhere you need it. You can paste it into emails, social media bios, messages, or even share it directly with friends and followers. One quick tip, if you want the cleanest version of your profile link, double check that it starts with X.com or Twitter.com, depending on which version is showing in your browser. That way, you know you're sharing the correct profile page every time. And that's it. You now know how to get your X.com or Twitter profile link fast and easy. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.